Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. Dollar Tree. I went to Dollar Tree because I am gathering things for Layla's first birthday, and I'm also wanting some things for my job and things that got stuck to my cart. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. Dollar Tree. I went to Dollar Tree because I'm starting to gather things for Layla's first birthday, as well as I needed a few little things for my job. And I'm going to be showing you the items that I got. So let's get started. The first thing that I will show you are the fairy houses. Who doesn't like fairies? Look at this. Fairy houses. This one's like a pink, kind of like lilies. I don't know the name of this little flowers, but that's the first one that I got. That's how it looks from the back. This one's like kind of like a flowery mushroom. Can you see that? Yes, they're so pretty. I'm gonna put them in this like square thing that I have. The third one is this like acorn one, yellowish. I love it. That's the third one. And the fourth little house is a strawberry. I think this is my favorite one. The strawberry with the little mushroom right here. Yay. I like all the little houses. I wanted to bring them all, but I can't. Then I found this little gazebo one, kind of. I think it's a little gazebo. Tiny one. All the little things are cute, but some of the items are like accessories for the little fairy town or fairy houses are very little for $1. So this was like decent size. Like look at the little gazebo. So I got a little packet of the fairy garden figurines, and these are 3 little gnomes. This is my favorite one. And then little packet of the fairies. Now these are one type of fairies. They had this other type of fairies that look more like little girls. I didn't like that one. I didn't like this one either, but these ones look more like a fairy that will live in a little house. Their faces are not that cute, but the houses needed to have people, so I got that little packet for that. I think that's it for the fairies. Yeah, I did found these little piggies that I didn't end up getting because I only found the one that covered its mouth, and then I think one that covered its ear, and they're supposed to be one that covers the eye, like see no evil, hear no evil, say no evil, or all the way around. So I didn't find it, so I left those 2 there. But I did found the chickens, and these were the only ones that they were there for the kitchen. The red chicken and the black chicken. They also had a white chicken way before, but they didn't have them in the store that I went to, so I just got the red and the black chicken. I think they're still cute though. There were 2 red ones and only 1 black one. I think the black one's like stands out a little bit more than the red one, but I like them. I think they're oh, they're just decor. I thought they were like salt shakers. The black one is perfect, but the red one has like some kind of a thing going on here. The other one did too. So I'm thinking all the red chickens had that little thing there. But I also bought these piece of dry floral foam. And this one are the ones that are already pre-cut. They also have one that is just 1 block. Hopefully you can see. I got those because I'm going to be doing some table centers for Layla's first birthday, and I needed that. And I also got some Reynolds wrap foil. This is the 15 square foot. I also got some wooden dowels. These are 15 a piece, and that goes with the floral foam thing, craft that I want to do. With that, I also got these, and I think this was the only one. This is for my job. It's a plush puppet, and I don't know if it's a boy or a girl. It has a purple thing, so you just put your fingers in here, and it's the puppet. Hi, Angel. Hi. How you doing? I'm doing fine, Angel. How about you? I'm doing fine. How about you? How about you? Oh, we're good. The next thing are these two headbands that I got for Luna and Layla. I don't know if this for Easter or not. I found them in the little hanging things right next to the register. One side is yellow and the other side is teal, like I was gonna say teal, purple or lilac. I thought they were so cute. They look so cute on Layla. One side either little pom-poms and they're so super soft. Touch them. Touch them. Look, it's so soft. Yeah, I got those. And then I also got these other items are for my job for something else. States wool mop. It's a huge map of the United States. These were on the teacher like learning area. I also got some photo props, and these are also for like teacher tree. And it has all this, and look at, they're all like on a stick because yes, they are props, but I'm not using it exactly for a prop. Then I got these classroom pointer finger. Look, Casey, do you see? Oh, pointer finger. Think. And then I also got 2 packets of flashcards. These are the sight words from Crayola. And these flashcards are 36 in a pack, and they're the sight words. And these are from Little People. They're counting 1 to 20. And they kind of have like the picture of how many, and then you get to count and all. They have like, if you're teaching from home or if you're a teacher, tutor, dollar store has really good items from Crayola, from from Little People, from everything. Like flashcards, you can never get enough. They're really helpful. And then I also got there too a birthday card for Layla when she turns 1, and it's this little bear. And it has a 1. I wanted like the same theme for her birthday, but they don't have them because I'm doing a very 80s theme party. So yeah. And then I also got this one. I know it says 3rd birthday and it's a cake, but I want the cake. I'm not using it for the 3rd. I'm not using it as a birthday card. I'm using it for the picture of the cake. So yeah, there is that. For those things. The other items that I got are actually going to be, they're like right there, are going to be in a separate video for items that I got for Layla's birthday party. So I'm going to do that. I'm just going to show you a little bit of these other items. I did got 2 packets of these 2-pack clay pots, and they're these. And they also were putting out the whole brand thing of the succulent picks. And I got a few of these because I got 4 of these and 4 of these for those pots. Because I'm just going to say, Layla's birthday party is going to be Cabbage Patch Kid theme. And these ones, I know they're succulents, but they do look like cabbages, don't they? I think they do. So I'm going to be doing a centerpiece with those succulent picks and the pots, the clay pots, which is very handy that they come in 2. They also have these tinier ones that come into 3, but I'll be using these for a treat, which I might do a video on. I'm not sure, but they have these little clay pots, 3 in a pack as well for $1. So I got those from there. And then what else? I can show you these. I got this huge lollipops that are like twirl. I got 4 of these. And then I also got 2 packets of the 12-pack of the clear container things. I don't know. Yeah. And then I also got, the last thing is a dog bowl for my puppies. They do eat from the same thing, so I just got one. They also had the round one, but I like the one that is like straight because it won't move around. But yeah, I think that's all that I'm going to show you that I got from the Dollar Tree. Hopefully you guys like my my haul. Go ahead and go and look for your stuff. They have really nice things for the garden, especially those succulent pigs, and they have a nice little flowers, and those fairy houses go fast. So yeah, that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't done so, please subscribe, and if you already did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.